Hey y'all, hope everybody's doing okay today. I just wanted to jump on and show you guys what my new stuff from Pampered Chef is that I got today. I got a box and I should have another one coming within a few days, and then closer to the end of the month I'll have a couple more that's coming. I had a party last month and closed it out, and most of the stuff I'm going to show you today is either free or very discounted. So let's get started. The first thing is nesting spoon holders. I love the color. It is actually a 2-pack, so that's the large one, and then there's a smaller one. They're so cute. A big one and a small one. And if you like to get free stuff or know someone who does, let me know and we can set you up a party and you can also get some good stuff. So the next thing is a pastry mat. Let's see if I can take it out. I love these. I make a lot of bread, and this is so necessary when you're making bread or pies or anything like that. It's like a silicone type material. And I love that it's got the circles in the middle so that you know what size your pie crust is. Then you can use that as a guide. Look at that. Then we have the egg slicer. You put the egg in there, you just slice it. Then you can turn the egg around and slice it again. This isn't just for eggs. You can also use it for soft fruit or maybe mushrooms, strawberries. Great. This is the large serving spatula. It's very heavy duty. You never can have too many spatulas. This next one's a very interesting little gadget, which you might not think you need, but it is a can strainer. This isn't something you'd want to strain, but so you take your can and you just slide this over. You hold on to it, dump it upside down. You can drain all your juice out, like your green beans or corn or black beans or whatever. Very handy. This next one is the twist and chop, which if any of you guys have watched any of my other videos know that I love the twist and chop. So that one is for someone else, so I'm not going to open it. But this is what it looks like. This one's mine. You just plug it in, push the button, and it's great. It takes literally seconds to chop stuff like onions and peppers and any of that kind of stuff. Got a few more things here. Oh, so they don't end up falling. Okay, next, let's see. A set with lids of the 1-cup prep bowls. And these were actually on sale last month. And I got mine for free. And there is a set of 6. A set of 6. These are great. We also have 2-cup and 3-cup prep bowls with lids too. I'm actually not sure. The 3-cup may not have lids. And I've been waiting for a while since this came out to get this. So this is great. Man, things just ain't wanting to open good today. This is a wooden cake stand. This is the bottom part. You just have hardware here, and then that bottom little round one screws into the bottom, and it's like a pedestal. This not only can be used for a cake stand, but also for like a charcuterie board. You can use it with or without this one, or you can use the smaller one separate so you have 2 pieces. Either way, whatever works for you. Okay, this is the last item. And I love, love, love these bowls. I have the smaller one. I think it's a 2-quart or 2.5 quart. And this one I believe is 5. The on-the-go serving bowl. It's great. This is the lid. They're great like if you're taking to a potluck or something like that. This here, it goes on the top. Stores here is the spoon rest. Nothing worse than going to a potluck and you've got all the spoons everywhere on the tables. With this, you can just rest it right on top. No more mess. And it keeps it for a long time. You remove the lid. Then when you put it back on, when you want to go to seal it, you push it on, and then you close the button, and then the lid won't come off. It seals it. So that's why it's on the go. And these are insulated so that it keeps your cold stuff cold and your hot stuff hot for a good long time. And that's my haul for today. Thank you for joining me. And down in the description box, there will be links if you want any of these products. I'll put my website down there, and also I'll put my party link. The party link changes from time to time. The website link never does, but you can go to either one of those and place an order for any of these items or any other items. Just comment and like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Here's the haul.